Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be unboxing the brand new Google Pixel 7 Pro in Hazel. Now, Google was nice enough to send one out to me. I actually have the obsidian color right here, but kind of had a little accident with it, which is a story for another day. But I actually went out today and got myself the one in Hazel right here, which I was actually excited to check out because this is such a nice color. When I saw it online, when I saw it during the announcement, I really wanted to check out this color right here. So really curious to see just how nice it's going to look like in person. Now, I will say when I did go pick this up, the girl that was helping me, she did unbox it because she wanted to make sure the phone was in good condition. It wasn't damaged or anything like that. You know, during shipping, I try not to look because I wanted to get my first impressions here on camera. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. We got 128 gigabytes of storage, 6.7-inch display. Let's go ahead and do this. So like I said, she already unboxed it for me, so it's already cut open. So let's just go ahead and do this. Take the top right off. Boom. All right. Woo! Oh, okay, this is actually pretty nice. So we got that hazel, kind of looks like a greenish gray color, I would say, with that gold camera module in the back. It's a full metal bar in the back, looking really, really, really nice. I actually really like this. And the gold, is that gold or silver? No, that looks gold, more on the gold side. And not only is it on the camera bar right here, but it actually goes all the way around the edges as well. Of course, we have the speakers, microphone, charging port down at the bottom. Over here on the left is the SIM card slot, microphone up top. On the right side, we got the power button and the volume rockers. And then of course, this display. Let's go and see if it has some power. I felt it vibrate, so that must mean we got some juice on this device right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that boot up right there. Inside the box itself, we do have this adapter right here. We got the charging cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. No charging brick in the box, not that I can see. As you can see, a very thin box. So if you don't have a charging brick, I mean, you should. Most people should already these days. But if you don't, you're gonna have to go out and buy one. Sorry to break it to you guys. And then of course we have the user manual, and that is about it. That is all that comes in the box. Very nice presentation, no, very simple. Pretty much the same thing that we had on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. But this is all booted up and ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw my information in here, get signed in, maybe download a couple apps so we can take a deeper look into the device. But so far, I mean, this is a beautiful color. Again, let me go ahead and sign in, and we'll take a closer look at the device itself. All right, so I'm back all set up and ready to go here. And I gotta say, I keep looking at the back of this phone because it is beautiful. I am really, really loving this hazel color in the back, you know, mixed with the gold borders and that camera bar in the back. Now, one of the first things I noticed when setting up the phone here is the haptics. They feel so good. You know, just when I was typing in some of my information, just, you know, the little vibration that you feel when typing or maybe going back a page, it feels really, really good. And I don't think I've ever felt the haptics that good on any other device that I've used before this one right here. So good job, Google, for that, because they feel really, really good. Now, another thing I noticed is that in the setting, I also noticed it with the other one as well, but in the settings, it's set at 1080p. They don't set it up at the highest resolution for you. So you're gonna wanna go in the settings and set it up at the highest resolution so you can take advantage of this beautiful display, because I mean, this display looks absolutely beautiful. Of course, we're getting that camera punch hole cutout up at the top, which is no bother for me. It doesn't seem to get in the way of anything that I do on this device right here. Pretty much getting an all display experience here. We do have a slight curve on both edges, which I actually think looks really good. You know, I know there's, you know, a lot of people out there that don't like the curved edges. To me, I think it just adds to the premiumness of the phone here. It just makes it look that much more premium. And it's just a slight curve. It's not like, you know, a huge curve to where you're gonna find yourself, you know, hitting it with your palms all the time. So I think they did it just right here with the Pixel 7 Pro. But absolutely beautiful display. Of course, we're getting 120 hertz on this display. So far it's a smooth experience too, just scrolling around, you know, from home screen to home screen, going through the app drawer. Of course, you know, I just unboxed this phone right here, so just barely using it right now, but so far getting a really smooth experience on this device. Now, one thing I thought was real cool is that when I did go into the settings here, I noticed that it's already in dark mode. So if I go down to the display settings, it was already on adaptive brightness. Let me go ahead and turn that off right now, because I usually like to mess with the brightness on my own. Sometimes adaptive brightness, and with any device, at least for me, you know, I don't find it to always be exactly where I want it to. I like to I pretty much like to keep the phone pretty bright, just for my liking, especially when I'm outside. So I'm really curious to see what this is going to look like outside in bright sunlight. But this actually comes with the dark mode on. So for me, that's a big plus. I didn't have to go in there, you know, look for it, turn it on. I use dark mode, everything, but it's actually called dark theme on here. So I'm really glad they did that. But overall, I mean, the display is looking beautiful. The device itself is looking beautiful. Seems like it's running very, very smooth. Really curious to check out these cameras. Let me go to and let's take a quick photo. Let's see, what can we take a picture of? Let me see, I'm gonna zoom. I'm actually gonna try the zoom right here, 5x zoom. I got the Google Pixel watch over there. Let's see. I got the box over there. Boom, let's take a photo. Let's see what this looks like. This is at 5x zoom. All right, actually looking pretty clean. I'll pop it up here on the screen so y'all can see what that 5x zoom looks like. And the lighting isn't the best. You know, I got the lights facing towards me and not over there where I did take the picture. You know, let's go ahead and try a selfie real quick just to check out the selfie camera. All right, let's see how that came out. I don't do selfies. I hate taking selfies. But all right, actually looking pretty good. Not too bad when it comes to the selfies. Now, of course, I'm gonna have tons more videos coming for this device right here. I'm gonna have a full camera review, taking a bunch of selfie photos, portrait, night mode photos, ultra wide angle lens photos, telephoto, zoom photos. So I'll have a full camera review on this phone right here. And like I said, tons of videos coming as well. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of those videos. But so far, loving this phone straight out of the box. I think it's a beautiful looking device. Google did a great job with this. If you are interested in picking one up for yourself, if you haven't yet, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below so you can go ahead and check one out for yourself. I believe the price so far on this is $899. Now, I know there are some pretty good trade-in deals out there. When I went to go pick this one up today, I actually traded in an iPhone 13 and got 800 bucks off. So only paid 99 bucks for this phone right here. Crazy, crazy. But if you find any other good deals out there, let me know down in the comment section below and let me know what you think about this device overall. Thank you so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Like I said, so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh King, and I'll see you on the next one.